Hello everybody. Today, this is our second edition of HTML tutorial. And today, I shall be taking you through HTML and its elements. HTML simply means hypertext markup language. It's a language for web page development. So HTML has some elements which we are going to explain better. So the elements are the thing with which we write So HTML elements are the declaration, including the tag we are going to write our code. And they are very, very important in our programming or coding. So happy going. So previously in our last topic, in our last video, we talked about on how to open folder. So the previous folder that I opened inside the music file manager utility, and the name of my folder is Moses. So what is good for me now is just to go to the studio. I click studio. I will click the file and click the folder. Now once I click the folder, now this is the name of the folder that I open. And I click it. Once I click it, I select it here. We surely come back. This is it here now. This is it here. So now, and I told you how to do this. I haven't done this. Now this is the folder. And this is the file. The file is the name of this studio. Moses.html is saying that the name of this studio is Moses.html. HTML is the name of that studio, is the name of the file with which I'm writing. So that is that. When it comes to CSS2, we put .css. It's an extension telling you that this file belongs to this particular language, or topic in our school. So we are writing it in that. Now, I hope that is clear. So today now, I don't know the meaning of HTML and what it's used for. There are some things that we need to know. Today, when last time we did HTML, how to open the folder, we did a command that has to do with how to do the command that result to this. I told you can easily write it this way. Let me quickly make it snappy. We are doing this just as a recap. Immediately you enter, you are here, you open your file. This is what you will see. You will see it here. You will also see it here. You are going to make declaration. And you press enter on your computer or system. Or you can also write doc in small letter this way. It will give you the same thing. All the things that emerge after this declaration are what we call elements. We have a lot of them, but these are the program elements in this studio. Programming that this has been, once you use that command to bring that, you are going to use that command to bring them up. It's right there inside the studio. Immediately you use that command, shift exclamation, or you write doc and you press enter, you surely see this. So today we are going to explain all of them. All the things that are here, all the text that are here, or all the elements that are here, we call them elements. We call all of them elements, ranging from HTML lang, head, body, so on and so forth. But we call them declaration. What this implies that this HTML that you see here, HTML lang, is telling you that you are writing in HTML writing in English language. This head is saying that you are writing. This head contains some of the things that will help you to view exactly what you want to see on the browser. But mind you, while you are still doing HTML, you can remove the first three. Once you remove the first three, you will still get exactly your answer. So these are these. But this title, this simply implies the title of your website on the browser, that name will occupy a particular tab on your browser. Just like in the normal way, if you open our browser, we can open as much tab that we want, depending on what. Same thing happens here too. But by default, we have document, which come by default from this studio. So we can alter it, it's user defined. So that is that for title. So now we also have body. This body now means where the programmer will write exactly what he wants to be effected on the browser. I mean, where it's going to write what will make up his website. Just like in English. In English, I can remember during our day, write the content. Content is where you write exactly what you want the examiner or your teacher to see your point. The same thing happens here too. Anything you are expected to show or you want it to show on the browser will be written inside body. So that is that. And we also have HTML. So now this HTML now, they are gradual. They have opening tag, as you can see there. We have two body here, we have two head here, we have two HTML here too. The first one that's here is the grandfather of all the elements in this studio, in that it houses all of them. Is the alpha and omega of all elements here. After we have head, which houses a little part, some part in that studio. The same thing body, anything we are going to write inside the body will be affected on the browser. So that's how they are. So I will see you guys in the next video.